In this video, I'm going to explain how to publish research papers in PubMed. So to publish a research paper in PubMed, you can't actually do it directly from your account, okay? So as you can see, I'm signed into my account. If I go to the dashboard, to publications or whatever, there's actually no way for me to actually publish anything in here, and that is because this actually just isn't done this way. So to get your research paper published in PubMed, what you're gonna have to do is it first needs to be published in a journal indexed for Medline, which is then included in PubMed. So you can directly submit, as I said, but of course, sometimes you will have to just go ahead and post it, for example, and publish it in a journal, and then they will actually do that and they will include it to PubMed. So to actually do this, you will first have to basically choose a journal indexed for Medline, and then after you do that, you'll have to submit your manuscript to the journal, and then after they essentially review your manuscript, they may publish your journal, and then what will happen is the journal's publisher is responsible for submitting your accepted manuscript to PubMed, and then after you do this, hopefully you can get your manuscript as well as your research paper inside the PubMed. Okay, so as you can see over here, it says that this is only from Medline. It's basically that's pretty much what it is. So yeah, that's your best bet. Of course, in case you are researching in that space, it's not that hard to actually get your research paper published on PubMed, but there's no direct way to do this. This that I just explained is the only and the best way to do so. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.